and welcome. In this video, we will focus on the Horizon Europe Cities mission and specifically on the funding opportunities available in 2024. My name is Elias Friedrichs and I am the Swiss National Contact Point for Mobility. What are EU missions? They are a new way to bring concrete solutions to some of our greatest challenges. They have ambitious goals and will deliver tangible results by 2030. They will deliver impact by putting research and innovation into a new role, combined with new forms of governance and collaboration, as well as by engaging citizens. EU missions are a novelty of the Horizon Europe Research and Innovation Programme for the years 2021 to 2027. Now you may ask, why we need a cities mission? Cities play a pivotal role in achieving climate neutrality by 2050, the goal of the European Green Deal. Since climate mitigation is heavily dependent on urban action, we need to support cities in accelerating their green and digital transformation. In particular, European cities can substantially contribute to the Green Deal target of reducing emissions by 55% by 2030 and, in more practical terms, to offer cleaner air, safer transport and less congestion and noise to their citizens. The cities mission will involve local authorities, citizens, businesses, investors, as well as regional and national authorities to deliver 100 climate-neutral and smart cities by 2030, and to ensure that these cities act as experimentation and innovation hubs to enable all European cities to follow suit by 2050, as foreseen in the implementation plan. The cities mission takes a cross-sectoral and demand-led approach, creating synergies between existing initiatives and basing its activities on the actual needs of cities and citizens. The first project aims to develop smart urban public space solutions for transport and energy integration, fostering co-designed mobility and energy solutions to achieve climate neutrality by 2030. An important aspect in this topic is to raise awareness of the benefits of urban public space revitalization and reallocation, promoting improved public health and urban connectivity. From an implementation perspective, pilot demonstrations are required in multiple cities, engaging stakeholders for co-design and utilizing digital tools for dynamic space management and optimization. The second project focuses on different aspects of pollution in cities. First, it's all about developing methods for assessing pollution exposure and health impacts at regional and local levels. This will facilitate evidence-based policymaking for pollution reduction strategies. Second, it is about investigating the correlation between environmental quality in urban spaces and human health and well-being, while at the same time exploring behavioral economics and organizational behavior to design effective pollution reduction measures. The third aspect relates to implementing innovative pollution reduction strategies in at least 2 cities, emphasizing dynamic abatement strategies and overcoming barriers to behavioral change through interdisciplinary approaches. This coordination and support action aims to understand the conditions and motivations driving the uptake of urban mobility management schemes, identifying barriers and levers for their replication and widespread adoption. This should then facilitate an increase in social acceptance of mobility management schemes among various organizations and their users, prompting a shift towards low and zero emission means of mobility. The project should also provide guidelines and recommendations for authorities and organizations to facilitate the implementation and uptake of sustainable mobility choices. For instance, smart and bidirectional electric vehicle recharging, contributing to decarbonized and energy-efficient urban mobility systems. The focus of the last project in this group is peri-urban areas, lying at the periphery of cities. They are the interface between rural and urban environments and are often subject to environmental degradation. The project aims to contribute to achieving climate neutrality in peri-urban areas across mobility, energy, industry, and governance domains. It seeks to increase and sustainable transport modes, to reduce GHG emissions and improve air quality and road congestion by 30%. Efforts include improving energy grids, promoting renewable energy generation and enhancing industrial efficiency by fostering circular economy practices. Governance aspects involve capacity building, integrated planning, and regulatory efforts to address sustainability challenges. Collaboration with stakeholders, adherence to existing frameworks, and consideration of social and gender perspectives are integral to the project's approach. Finally, I would like to make a few general remarks that apply to all topics. Each of them is aimed at a consortium of multiple partners that contribute to the requirements of the call. In short, nobody expects you to do everything that I have said above on your own. Rather, the opposite is true. If anything of the above sounds like something you can contribute to, please contact either the regional office of EU Research in your area or contact me directly at the network office in Bern. Thank you for your attention. I hope to hear from you soon.